Oh my god. I am here! What am I doing here? Why am I playing Roblox? The main question is, why am I here? And I'll tell you why. Because I'm a fucking loser, okay? I have nothing to do with my life. Parkour! By, Develop Tycoon. Let's just say, it's been a hot minute since I've been on Roblox. I have to update Roblox, and I have to sit through, like, this freaking 12-hour update because Windows... Oh, fuck's sake. Windows 7. So anyways, let me explain why I've been... I don't even know if I want to explain. I don't even have a legitimate reason why I've been gone. You know, it's just... I started this when I was a little younger, a couple years ago. Thought that I would make something out of this, and I did not. The young failure I am, it's just the way it's gotta be. I bet you guys never been so pumped to see a Roblox video from me in your life. Let's play this parkour. Welcome. Start here. Come on, little boy. You can do it. You can do it. You don't even have to jump. Hey. Woo. Look at you go, man. Look at you go, man. Oh, Sheikah. That's unfortunate. What the fuck? Oh, okay, I'm still here. Oh my freaking lord! Guys, breaking news. Our friend, I can't even read your name, he made it. And we're gonna follow him and see if my boy, oh, okay. First attempt. Come on, little boy. Come on, little boy. Past your master. Master in disguise. Oh! Oh. I don't know if I was recording or not. But, there was death. There was a lot of death. Yeah, so, my friend, oh my god, he's farther than I am. Bro! I swear, if you don't stop, I will literally clap you in a 1v1. Oh my goodness, boys, I don't know what just happened right there. Don't worry, I'll do this. Oof. Don't worry, I'm a freaking god. Oh shit. Where is he? Aww. Hey man. Are you gonna respond? Oh, that wasn't even the right guy. He left the game? Oh my god, but you know what? I think it's time for me to quit. We're gonna play some Flappy Bird. Wow, this game hasn't been updated since 2016. Oh my god. July, what? July 18th? It's almost been a year. Oh my god, I haven't played this game forever. We're gonna play some Flappy Bird. This is so laggy. My highest is like 500. Don't at me. Ugh. What is... Why? I don't know. Oh my... Alright boys, time to play some sword fight on the heights. IV, time to swanton on some kids. Okay, as I patiently wait for the map to all over. Nope, the map's just broken. Freaking hell, man. Freaking hell. Freaking hell, man. Time to go find some more kids to lasso. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Put me in this there, put me in this there. Looks like we got little skimp leg Jimmy Tata. Oh, I third partied them so hard, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm gonna third party a fight. I'm gonna die. Okay, I freaking what to do. I'm gonna kill you. What? Update. I'm still flying backwards. I can barely see the main map anymore. What's happening to me? What's happening to me? Oh my god, you know what? I'm finished with the... Huh, does anyone want to know what that says? Content deleted. We got a R0bl0x dead X right there, boy. Alright, I'm done with this stupid piece of shit. Alright guys, peace out man, have a good day.